I love nature because of the colour of it and how fresh it is. And
I feel like when I'm near like nature and plants, I feel like I can breathe properly.
What I like about nature is its ability to adapt to its surroundings.
I like watching animals and flowers and like insects.
Sometimes you don't even realise that they're around us.
It's such a gift to humans.
I like nature because it's so beautiful and essential to life.
In Neath Port Talbot, I love to go to the Victoria Gardens.
Rydw i'n hoffi'r Victoria Gardens oherwydd mae llwyth o blodau fan'na.
I think the Corman might be the best place.
Aberavon Beach.
Bronwyn Reservoir.
Avon Valley Park.
To be honest, I think my back garden.
I like the Knoll Park because it's very well preserved.
We should appreciate the green areas that we have.
It's so important, you just need to have more of it around for people to just see.
If we want a good ecosystem, we have to take care of our water supply.
I think Port Talbot could cut down on air pollution, so more wildlife is attracted.
And for example, if there's a lot of sort of species in one area, it gives the area you're in an identity.
Touching upon climate change, and for our generation and future generations, it's going to be vital to stop it.
I think we kind of need to just sort ourselves out and figure out what we're doing to stop it.
Stop littering, use bikes more, just to help the ecosystem and our future generations.
And every different council should have young people involved in the actual council who make decisions and have a say.
I would love to participate in something that would help regenerate Neath Port Talbot. It's a dream.
Because at the end of the day, it is what we need to look at to keep us all alive for the rest of our lives. And it's our world now, it's our future. So is it not our right to protect it?